How to use Uber Eats promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up your Play Store or App Store and on the search box, search for Uber Eats. Then from here, you want to tap on the install button and install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the open button. Now, the first step is to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one, and once you have been logged into your account, you want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you're going to find different options on this menu. You want to select the one that says promotions. Now here on this box, it says enter promo code. So if you have any promo codes, you can basically enter it over here. If you do not have any promo codes, open up any web browser. Then on the search box, search for Uber Eats promo code. From all of these websites, you can select any one of them. Let's say you have selected the one that is latimes.com. From here, you can check out the best promo code that you can use. Tap on show more option to know more about that promo code and also the expiration date of that promo code. If this is the one that you want to use, simply tap on view coupon. Then from here you can find the promo code. Simply tap on the copy option. Now you can tap on visit Uber Eats, which is going to open up the Uber Eats website, or you can also head over to the application. On this box, simply paste the promo code that you have just copied. Then tap on the claim promo option. After that, if the promo code is valid, it is going to be applied to your account. And now on your next ride, if it is qualifying, your discount is going to be automatically added on your next trip. And this is how you can use Uber Eats promo code. That's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.